Self-improve Ion Popular, platform for starting an online business and making money is Shopify. Here's how you can use it. Sign up. Visit Shopify's website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business. Choose a plan. Shopify offers various pricing plans, so select the one that best fits your needs and budget. Set up your store. Shopify's intuitive interface to design your online store. You can choose from a variety of templates and customize them to reflect your brand. Add products. Upload images and descriptions of your products to your store. Make sure to provide clear and enticing product descriptions to attract customers. Set up payment options. Shopify integrates with multiple payment gateways, allowing you to accept payments from customers around the world. Choose the ones that work best for your business. Market your store. Utilize Shopify's marketing tools to promote your store and attract customers. This can include email marketing, social media campaigns, and search engine optimization (SEO). Fulfill orders. As orders come in, use Shopify's order management system to fulfill them efficiently. You can also track inventory levels to ensure you never run out of stock. Provide customer support. Offer excellent customer service to keep your customers happy and coming back for more. Shopify offers tools to help you manage customer inquiries and support tickets. By following these steps, you can start your online business on Shopify and begin making money. Remember to continually optimize and refine your store to maximize its success. So stick around for more and self-improve AI. And do not forget to subscribe.